Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a 2015 Chevy Malibu LT, stock number Z9451X. Only 29,000 miles and there's one owner. Clean auto check history report. Silver ice metallic in color. You do receive the balance of the factory 5-year 100,000-mile powertrain warranty. It's a very safe vehicle as well. 5-star front and side government crash rating. It's in the mid-size car class. Seats 5. Split seat back folds down to accommodate longer cargo items. Backup camera for additional safety. Spacious trunk. Wide opening makes it easy to get things in and out. Removable cargo net. Perfect for keeping smaller items secure. And very clean. No dents or dings in the body. This LT has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, power driver's seat, along with a tilt and telescopic steering wheel to put you in that perfect driving position. Easy to read gauges with driver information system. Again, only 29,000 miles. Cruise control, steering wheel mounted audio controls. Large touchscreen MyLink infotainment system. 4 radio. It's also satellite radio capable. Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use or to connect other Bluetooth-enabled devices. Great for wireless music streaming. You can even sync smartphones, Pandora, and Stitcher radio apps. And then, as of course, where the backup camera displays. Hard keys below for radio, CD player, as well as climate control. 6-speed automatic transmission with manual shift capability. Lots of storage space in the armrest. A large glove box with all the owner's materials. Overhead, auto dimming mirror, and HomeLink transmitter for garage door opener. Under the hood, this Malibu has a 2.5 liter 4-cylinder, 196 horsepower. And just as clean under the hood as the rest of the vehicle. EPA fuel economy estimates an average of 25 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 36 on the highway, and approximately 50% of the tire tread left. For more information, please go to Sheboygan Auto.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.